touch me now. I close my eyes, dream of the day. It's a real love, but it's over now. It's been good. That loves it somehow. Things back. Coach. Thank you for joining. Matati. Hi, Matati. Hi, Matati. Hello. Have a nice day. Love too. What? Love too. Where are you from, Matati? Leo was by on my pillow. Said a sound. India. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, Matati. Where are you in India? Thank you for the time, Zach. Darling, darling. Comes, Taka. Ah, okay. Comes Taka. Comes Taka. Nice to meet you. Love, can't you say I'm alone? Can't you give this for a chance? A little love, all I ask. Comes Taka. You're married? Yeah, I'm getting married. I'm getting married. And you, are you married? Matati? Matati. Eh, how much, baby? I have one son. I have one son. One kid. Okay. How many babies do you have? Mother, work. Work. I have work. Work. I have a work. Work. No married. Why? Why no married? Maybe you're still young. Still young. Hmm. Maybe you are still young. No. How old are you? Uh, uh, oh my God, Golden Frieza, welcome back. It's a very long time no here. I miss you. Well, look at you now. Hair color, yes. Later, maybe it's a blonde. Next, blonde color. Change color. It's good for me to have a hair color. Love you, Matati. Why you love me? Mhm. I will change color, hair change color, and maybe on last week of September. That's it. Your Are you busy, Golden? Is it brown? Yes, brown. Brown color. And next, blonde. Blonde color. You're very cute with that brown. Yeah. Thank you. How are you, Golden? Maybe you're married now. You're dating someone. You're busy with someone. No, I'm good. You're busy. I've been keeping up with you, but I miss you. I miss the hair color. You miss black hair. Yeah, the black hair. I will change hair color next. Next time it's getting blonde. Change color. Yeah, that's the list. The last time I remember. Yeah. Jerry Landang. Hello, ma. Yan na si Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Hello. Ganda mo. Bakit? Wilson Sulayaw. Hi, Wilson. Saan maganda? Hindi na makalayo. Ang damdamin ko. Thank you for the thumbs up. Ang gwapo niya. Elias Diaz. Hi, Elias Diaz. Hello. Ang sakit. It's getting pain. Pwede kita ano yun? OTG. What do you mean? OTG? OTG. Ano yan? What time is it? Ay, nako, Jerry. Wala na naman ibang magandang sasabihin. Shut up and dance. Jose, the amor. Hi, Jose. Thank you for the thumbs up, Jose. Ang damdamin ko tinta. Thank you. What it means to say. I feel stomachache. My God. Oh, I feel his stomachache. I'll take for what means to say. What it means. Bye-bye. I need to eat for lunch. My dog going back home. Bye-bye, guys. See you next night. Bye.